Have you ever looked at a wildly successful entrepreneur and thought,
Okay, so something bizarre is happening on my channel, and I have to share it with you because it's a really, really good lesson.
how the heck are they doing it? Is there some secret time machine I don't know about? Should I call up Marty McFly? Well, when I watched Sunny Lenarduzzi's video about running a $30 million business as a mom to a 1-year-old,
Generated this much. And keep in mind, this was during the first year of my daughter's life, the first year of me becoming a mother, and that's important to note because my top priority is peace.
I couldn't help but think this woman is living proof of what happens when you build the right kind of support system. From her amazing nanny Ash to her asynchronous business meetings, Sunny doesn't just juggle her roles, she aligns them. And the secret isn't 27-hour days, it's having the right team. I call that a unicorn team. So today we're diving into how Sunny created her version of her unicorn team to support her success and how you can absolutely do it too, even if you're just trying to figure out how to balance work and family, which is no small feat. Hey there, I'm Jen Kem, author of Unicorn Team and founder of the Mastermind Institute, where we help bold leaders turn their big ideas into iconic brands. And if you're here, you're probably juggling a million things, maybe a business, a family, or just trying to stay caffeinated enough to get through the day. I get it. That's why I'm so excited to talk about Sunny Lenarduzzi's recent video, where she shares how she balances being an 8-figure entrepreneur and a mom without losing her mind. Here's the first thing Sunny nailed. Success is not a solo sport. In her video, she talks about her incredible nanny, Ash, who helps care for her daughter, Cruz. And this is something I wish someone had told me when I was building my business while working full-time and raising kids as a single mom over a decade ago. If I could hop into a time machine, the first thing I would do is hire help, a house cleaner, someone to help me prepare meals, anyone who could give me some of my precious time back. And that's the point. The people in your life, whether it's a nanny, a partner, or even that friend who makes you laugh when you're ready to quit, are part of your unicorn team. They're the unsung heroes who make it possible for you to focus on what you do best. Sunny understands this on a deep level. By leaning in on her team, both professional and personal, both at work and at home, she creates space for her family, her health, and her creativity, all while running a $30 million business. Friends, that's not luck. That is a strategy. Clarity is the ultimate superpower, and Sunny has it in spades. She knows her priorities: movement, so movement of her body, family time, and focused work. And that clarity is what allows her to structure her day in a way that feels both productive and fulfilling and energetic. Now, when I first started my business, I thought clarity was a luxury, something I'd figure out once I had more time. But later, I realized that clarity isn't optional, it's essential. And when you know what truly matters to you, you stop wasting time on things that don't. And that's not just a personal win, it's a leadership win. Why? Because when you're clear on your vision, your team knows exactly what they're working for. They don't have to guess what's important or wonder if they're on the right track. They can focus on what matters most, and so can you. And when I say team, I will remind you that includes your nanny, your child, your husband or spouse, right? They're all part of your unicorn team. And it helps when you know yourself and the clarity that you have so that they can also take the lead from you when it matters. Sunny's clarity about her priorities creates a ripple effect. It allows her team to function efficiently, her business to thrive, and her personal life to stay intact, which we all want, yes? Now let's talk about Sunny's business team, because this part is genius. She restructured her meetings to be asynchronous, meaning her team doesn't have to sit on Zoom calls for hours. They communicate on their own schedules, which gives Sunny the freedom to focus on her priorities. This is a textbook example of a unicorn team in action. The right people with the right systems can make your life so much easier. Sunny's team knows her priorities and supports her vision, which is why she can balance her professional ambitions with her personal life. And that's the magic of a unicorn team. So before we continue with Sunny's story, let's talk about what exactly is a unicorn team. It's not just your employees or contractors. It's the people, both in your business and personal life, who align with your vision and help you achieve your goals. Here's how the unicorn team model works. 1, you have to have clarity. So in clarity, you define your vision and your priorities. 2, you have to know where you are aligned so that you can rally the right people who share your values. Number 3, you have to have the right systems in place, creating workflows that maximize your energetic output. And 4, balance, using your team to create space for what matters most, whether that's your family, your health, your creative passions, or just some time with a book in a corner. That's how I like to spend my space. Sunny's life is a shining example of this framework. Her team at work, her nanny, her husband, they're all part of her unicorn team. And because they're aligned with her vision, she doesn't just survive, she thrives. Sunny's story shows that with the right people, the right systems, and the right mindset, you can build a business and a life that you love. So here's my question for you. Who's on your unicorn team? Maybe it's a colleague, a family member, or even a friend who keeps you grounded. And if you're not sure where to start, grab a copy of Unicorn Team, my book. It's a playbook for building the team systems and balance you need to thrive and helping you reimagine what life could look like and feel like going forward. Click the link below to get your copy and let's start building your unicorn team today. Because the good news is you don't have to do it all by yourself. With the right support, you can have it all on your terms. Until next time, keep chasing what matters most, and I'll see you in the next video.